Like I said, today we're going to change the air filter on a 98 Blazer. Pretty straightforward job, honestly. A trained monkey could do this one, but just in case you don't know how, I'm going to show you. All it is 4 screws, not even bolts, just screws. Use a flathead or Phillips. I have a flathead here. It's screw there, screw there, screw there, screw there. The one under the hose, a little difficult to get to, but it is there. All you gotta do is unscrew it. I don't need to watch me turn screws, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, so the screws are loosened. The air half the screws, but still be careful you don't drop them. And do this. Lift this up out of the way. Again, hose is kind of in the way there, but that's okay. There we go. There's the old filter. And we see it's pretty grody. Yeah, time to change it. So I got a new one. Ram Tough Guard. Pretty similar to the other one, because it's just paper, no foamy stuff on the bottom. It's oiled up, so should be better at trapping dust. Well, I guess this is an unboxing video. Anyway, I'll go ahead and get it in. As you can see, it just drops straight in, just like the old one. And then you just put the cover back on and tighten the screws. Down the last screw here, which is difficult to do with my left hand, but there we go. Let's make sure the screws actually go into the hole, the one on the other side, but the hose being a little stubborn. But get it in, and trust me guys, girls will like you a lot better if you can get it in the hole. Okay, there we go. And as tight as you can with your pressing against, there's kind of a foam seal on that filter. Not the best fitting screwdriver. There we go. There we go, job complete. Wasn't too difficult, was it?